about depositing funds into your account. The first thing you want to do is once you're logged into your Osprey FX, so remember it's always going to be separate. You don't actually do deposits on Trade Locker. That's where you do your trading at, on Osprey FX or whatever broker you're choosing. That's where you're always going to deposit your funds. Now, first thing you want to do, left hand corner, it says deposits. I'll click on deposits. It's going to bring me right here. We were already on the screen. The next thing it's going to say is deposit type. Now here is totally your option. Now if you're already familiar with cryptocurrency, such as you already have some Bitcoin, right? You know things about, USDT, then you can simply do it this first way. So the first way, say for instance, you're like, okay, I already have some USDT, or I have Coinbase or crypto.com, and I think even I can't think of Cash App as well. And you could just purchase USDT. See, it says instant because it'll be just like that into your account. So if you say you're using USDT, all right, you want to click on add money to your wallet, or you can simply take it straight over into your Trade Locker platform. So I can click on platform, but right here it says select an account. So make sure, all right, because I have quite a few and a couple of different accounts. But right here, say for instance, this is the one I wanted to make sure and verify with my Trade Locker. This is the account I want it to go to. So once I click on it, I'll put in the amount that I want. I can simply type in here if I want to, and then click on go to payment. All right, so we're gonna do the first method. So if I say go to payment, this is if you already know and familiar with cryptocurrency, because it's the fastest way to get it in there, okay? So say for instance, yes, you do have those type of accounts. You've already added some money. It's gonna bring up now is a code here, like a QR code. Simply all you want to do, like I said, if you're already familiar with it, go over to, let's say, your Coinbase account, and you've already purchased some USDT. You go back over, and it's going to say USDT, send or receive. Now you want to send your USDT over into your Osprey account. As soon as you click on send, it's going to say, hey, you can scan a QR code. This is the QR code it's talking about. So you'll come right back over here and scan this code, or you can simply just click on this, copy it, and paste it over there, okay? And it takes like maybe about 10-15 minutes, and it'll be over in your Osprey account. Now, most people don't know anything about crypto, so we're gonna come right back over, okay? This is one of the first ways. The second way, I'll just show you if you're simply just using a credit card or debit card, which is what most of us do. Same thing, go over to deposits, deposit type. Once I click here, I'm gonna go to Bitcoin via Instacoin. The only reason we're choosing Instacoin is because you might not be familiar with crypto and you prefer to use your credit card or debit card. So once I click on here, same exact thing. The wallet, that simply means it's going to come right here. But to make it simple, we wanted to go straight over to our platforms. We can start trading immediately. So I click on platform. You're going to choose your account. Remember, you want to make sure you're using the correct account. So I want to click here. I want to put the amount that I want, whether it's 300, 500, 5,000, or even 150. You put it right here, and you're going to go to payment. Now, once it says go to payment, what it's going to do is says sending you an email, because yes, we are depositing money over here, but we have to do it through a third-party site, which is Instacoins. Now you see here it says we've sent you an email. So I simply want to check my email. I'm waiting for it to come through. All right, there it is. So I'm going to click on it. You won't see it on the screen right now because I'm in my email. And there we are. So now we're in here. So it's going to look similar to this, okay? So all you want to do is pretty much put it on the screen for you as well, is you want to make sure you don't have to worry about, calculating the Bitcoin and anything like that. You just worry about this right here that says USD. So if you're putting in 150, you'll put 150, right? You see it was already in there because we already told we wanted to do 150. I want to click on I agree. And then you want to choose whether you're paying with a Visa or you're paying with a MasterCard. All right, so either one. So if I was paying with a Visa, I simply click on it. And then this is where you put in all your credit card information, okay? So once it says that, it's going to give you a notification saying, yes, it's good to go. All right, so I'm going to go back because I'm not going to put in my credit card information right now. And then next, what you want to do, so it takes a minute. This is not quick, okay? It might be 30 minutes, might be 40 minutes, might take an hour, okay? But you're going to know it's complete and done because Instacoins is going to send you an email saying pretty much that your deposit has been accepted, okay? Once that happens, it's two things. So one thing, sometimes it'll just normally just go right over into your Osprey, all right? It depends on what you chose. So I'm going to click on Osprey for a minute. Go back to Osprey. This is once it's sent you an email saying, hey, you're good to go. All you want to do is two ways. The first way, if you chose you wanted it to go into your wallet, it's going to pop up right here. Now, when that happens, you're just going to have to transfer this over into your trade locker account. All right, so I'm gonna show you two ways. So this way is if you chose for it to go into your wallet versus going to the platform. So if you chose to go into the wallet, let's say hypothetically your 150 showed up here. You want to come over here to transfers on the left hand side. Click on transfers. Once you do that, it says transfer type. You click on it. You want to go from your wallet, which is up here, to the trading platform, which is your trade locker. You click there. It's going to say transfer from. Click here. USD. You're going to see the money sitting here. Right? Transfer to. You want to choose that same account or whichever account you want. Right? And the amount to transfer. So if you don't want to choose, send the whole 150 over there, you don't have to. All right? So whatever you want to. So if I want to do the 150, you click on transfer and it is done. All right? That quick. The next way. So just in case that was for in case you had to go to your wallet, or if you got it going straight to the trading platform, it's going to be right over in your trade locker. Okay. One thing that it might take a minute, and sometimes every now and then you have to do this on Instacoins. So on Instacoins, you're able to check your activities, or is it my account? My account. So right here, you see right here where it says buy. Sometimes you have to do this. So you'll see where it says buy to tell you, whether it's pending. See, it says processing. Once you see it's approved, and once again, I might have went fast, over here on the left-hand side, my account, and it's going to bring this up. So what you want to do is once it says approved or done, you're going to know it's good to go. You might have to click on it, and what you're clicking on is the hyperlink, and just click on approve. This is every now and then that you have to do that, okay? If you do not see it in your wallet within an hour, just come back over to Instacoins, click on my account, and you want to scroll down. You just want to make sure it's going to tell you, whether it's done, complete, something like that, where you know that it's approved, okay? And then you just want to click on the hyperlink, okay? It could be here or it could be this one, but whichever one it is, once you click on it, it's going to be a button that says approve. You click on that, and then you come right back over to your Osprey account, and you will see it over here, okay? So hopefully that answers your questions. If not, definitely just let me know. Make sure you're back on Telegram, and you should have my cell phone number as well, but send me a text, and I'll definitely hop on a call with you for a few seconds and get you taken care of. All right, so let me know if this helps.